Hi everyone, and welcome to the third online video for GBird. In this demo we will see how to search and display one's sightings for a selected species in Google Earth, and how to export those sightings into Microsoft Excel. To begin with, we will click on the Search tab and then select any of the world birds families that we wish to search for by selecting the first letter that they begin with. In this case, we will select K, and then we will select Kestrel. We would like to see now sightings for rock kestrel, so we select the rock kestrel, and then you click on the My Sightings checkbox. Google Earth will then show the rock sightings that we have seen and recorded, and display the date as well alongside them. In order to export your sightings, simply click on the Export button, GBird will then export your sightings into Excel, which you can open and save to somewhere on your desktop. This will then list the date, the time, the latitude and longitude, as well as the count for the number of birds seen at that time. Should you wish to export different results from an entire trip, you can select the My GBird tab. GBird will allow you to view and export your sightings from any year, or you can select custom dates as well to export from. If you wish to export these sightings into Excel, you can simply click on the Export to Excel button. This then ends the third demo on how to search for your data and export to Excel as well.